Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. US markets, they are mixed. Dow is up, Nasdaq and S&P 500 was down. That's mainly because artificial intelligence related stocks came down under profit booking. So because of that, Nasdaq was down, that dragged the S&P 500. And Asian markets are generally mixed. And then, as I told you, the last 3 days, the markets rallied and all over the world, and then likely market consolidate for some time. So that's number one. But looking at our market, so there are some positives, some negatives. Some positives, we rallied for 3 straight days, and India VIX has fallen. Now India VIX has fallen more than 50% from the last few months peak. And then 50-day moving average has been crossed. And then finally, technically, this market becomes long if Nifty closes above 24,000. But yesterday, it closed just only about 10-11 points lower. So all these are positives. But of course, there are some negatives. FIIs started selling once again, 750 crore. But 750 crore is not a, big deal. Right? So FIIs used to sell 5,000, 10,000 crore. Now they are selling only 750 crore. And who knows, they might change their mind. So we have to wait and see what's going to happen today and tomorrow. Just one day, we can just ignore. So this is on one side. And other side, the crude oil has broken $80 for the first time. Just remember, during the peak of the crisis, it was $120. From $120 now coming to below $80. But right now, this is slightly above $80. But yesterday night, it came down slightly below $80. And then still, the US and Iran deal has not been signed yet, right? The people say a memorandum of understanding, but most of the time, the way the deal between US and Iran is going on, we cannot call it as memorandum of understanding. That can be called as a memorandum of misunderstanding. So there's a lot of conflict, Iran says, we will be charging toll after 60 days and this and that, So we have to wait for the final clarity. So those final clarity will come on Friday. And who knows, the clarity may come after the market hours on Friday. Right? So only the next week we can see some decisive action. So meanwhile, if 24,000 is crossed decisively, if Nifty closes about 24,000, and as I told you, 50-day simple moving average crossed and technically becomes long, the next target will be 24,300. So the 24,300 is there, that is where around 100-day moving average as well as 50% Fibonacci retracement. So if Nifty, showing some firm trend, my gut feeling is that it's going to show, and then the Nifty might be trading between 24,000 to 24,300, and at least for next 3 trading sessions until there is a clarity emerges on this US-Iran deal. So meanwhile, rupee is showing some kind of a strength. And I came out with a video last week, that a large amount of money is likely to flow, but still the major international banks, they have not finalized the terms, but they are about to finalize. So once they finalize, once they give leverage to the NRIs, and then during the next few weeks' time, a large amount of money can flow. Potentially, rupee can appreciate also. So all is well with the market right now. So unless some unforeseen circumstances happens, so this rally is likely to continue, but it may pass for a little bit and then it can continue. So remember Nifty has already rallied around 4%, and then it cannot continue to move higher and higher on a day-to-day basis. Some kind of a profit booking. Those people who entered at the lower level, they will book the profit. So that might give a small correction. So overall, this market right now is buy and dip market, not sell on rally market. And of course, 23,000 is going to be a good support, but the 23,000 put option premiums are very, very pathetic, around 22 rupees. But however, for the next month series, July series, 23,000 put premiums are trading more than 100 rupees. So I think around 110 rupees, something like that. So that's a decent bet at this point of time, right? So like the same thing only, what I told you yesterday, look for oil related stocks like paint industries, oil marketing companies, auto industries, airline industries. So all these, may continue to do well going forward, and fertilizer stocks, and then again the rate sensitives. So the bank nifty was a little bit volatile, and ICICI Bank came under selling pressure for the last two trading sessions. But yesterday it has recovered. So yesterday both HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, they both moved higher. Right? Bank Nifty also 50-day moving average is taken out. So at least I'm expecting Bank Nifty to touch 58,000 before the end of this month expiry. But that's hardly 1.5% higher from here. So overall, the market is bullish, and any intraday dip, because of FA selling or for some other reason, so that's a buying opportunity. Tonight, the Fed policy is there. So because of that, there may be some kind of jitterness, but 99.99%. So the Fed event is going to be a non-event. So earlier there was a fear there may be a rate hike, but now that is completely ruled out. So it's not going to have any impact. So for today, we can expect, Nifty to trade between 23,900 and 24,100. That's a very, very narrow range because with this kind of volatility, the markets do not, trade in a bigger range. So let us see what's going to happen. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.